To remove the SD card reader if present in the unit, first remove the access panel and the main bezel. It is also helpful to remove the drives cage for better access. Detach the SD card reader connector from the motherboard. Detach the Torx 15 screw, securing the SD card reader to the front of the unit. Pull the reader out of the front of the unit. The SD card reader has two small holes that fit over alignment pegs at the front of the unit. To replace an SD card reader, feed its connector in through the front of the unit and press the holes on the reader over their pegs. Secure the reader to the front of the unit with its Torx head screw. Reattach the SD card reader connector to the motherboard.